What a drive! Woo. Oh, we'll have you in round 2 of the dirt racing series. Thank you very much.
Hey, Rusty. Welcome to the Horizon Autumn season. My team are helping me find our most influential rookie to compete in the next showcase. Want it to be you? Convince me. Beck tells me you're in round 2 of the road racing series. And Joel mentioned that someone named Mike Steele is after you about a stunt thing? Speaking of stunts, Jay's on the hunt for our next stunt hero. And Alex says he's ready to kick off round 2 of dirt racing. But he's really excited to get going on the cross-country series. Well, what are you waiting for? Hey, just letting you know, the auto show is now open. Come on down and browse. Or I can send the catalogue to your house if you prefer.
Turn around when it is safe to do so. Recalculating route. In 100 meters, turn left. In 100 meters, turn left. You have arrived at your destination.
You can race any event in co-op or PvP with drivers you invite from your session. Hey, Rusty. Let's take a look at Horizon Blueprint. This is something I let our old festival boss play around with in Australia, but they're not here. So I need to see if we have any fresh blueprinting talent.